Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you convert your text into voice to use this on any YouTube videos or even for your personal use. So let's get started. All you have to do is go over to ElevenLabs.io and make sure you create a free account here. So not keep in mind guys that this is free, but you can also upgrade this to the uh, better version by going over to their prices here. So these are their prices right here. So I recommend if you want to buy this is the creator, which is $22 a month, and this should be good to go. And okay, so let's use the free version first. I'll introduce you to that. And for this one, you should go ahead to speech synthesis, but you can also go to voice lab to add a generative or clone voice if you want. And for here, I've created here a random script, and you can play around with the settings as well as different voice actors here. So let's see what this will do.
In this episode, we are introduced to Spider-Man, who finds himself stranded on a parallel Earth called Counter-Earth.
And as you can see, guys, um, it basically is like a human voice. So like that. So let's go ahead and
In this episode, we are introduced to Spider-Man, who finds himself stranded on a parallel
so you can
Earth
see,
called
guys, right
Counter-Earth. Spider-Man quickly discovers that Counter-Earth is ruled by the evil High Evolutionary, who has enslaved humans and mutated animals to create a new world order.
you can also play around with the settings here, the stability and also the clarity. And you can, let's try it on a different voice.
He that is giddy thinks the world turns round.
Friends show their love in times of trouble, not in happiness.
And they recommend you to switch to multilingual. Like that, so let's try that.
In this episode, we are introduced to Spider-Man, who finds himself stranded on a parallel Earth called Counter-Earth. Spider-Man quickly discovers that Counter-Earth is ruled by the evil High Evolutionary, who has enslaved humans and mutated animals to create a new world order.
Like that. So as you can see, guys, you can download this if you want for free. You just have to click on the download button and that's it. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.